What's up, Bigfooters and other electronically enthused folks? My name is Brady, and today we take a look inside the Zoom H4N. Welcome back, guys. Hope you're all just having the swellest day. And right now, you might be thinking, Brady, why are you gonna open up your Zoom H4N audio recorder? Well, the story behind that is, I accidentally bought a broken audio recorder. I bought it off of a refurbished website, and I accidentally bought a recorder that was only for parts. And, you know, since it's broken, I figure, might as well get a look inside one of these. I've never looked inside one of these, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna open this bad boy up and see just what makes this thing tick. And just as a disclaimer, I'm not very electronically savvy, so I might call a lot of parts inside of this just things, and I might have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, but we're gonna take a look inside anyway. Just I don't know. I just think it should be fun. I think it'll be fun, so that's what we're gonna do today. I mean, after this, probably put it back together, set it on my shelf, make it look more like I know what I'm doing, even though I have no clue. But anyway, let's take a look inside this bad boy. Alright, so here is the Zoom H4N audio recorder. Here is the dual microphones. Got the headphone jacks, the volumes, the USBs. But yeah, you've got all your standard audio recorder things, and got a couple tools, a couple screwdrivers. Not sure if any of these are gonna work, but we're gonna jump right into this thing. There's these four screws on the back. I'm gonna start by taking those off. That doesn't do the trick. I might have to pull some of this plastic stuff off, but hopefully just these 4 screws will do the trick, but let's find out. Screw number 1, screw number 2, screw number 3. This last screw is very stubborn. I'll be right back. Alright, I got some more tools. Hopefully one of these screwdrivers will do the trick, and if not, brought some backup. This screw is not coming out, so I don't think it's going to come out without some more force behind these screws. So now I'm just going to stick a screw into the sides of the recorder, see if I can loosen it or jam it out or break the recorder in half.
He just beat the devil out of it.
Ooh, we're making some progress. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Maybe I can take this plastic off. Yes! Right, so maybe underneath this plastic there are some more screws. So we're gonna see what's underneath this first layer of plastic. There's a good view right there. Just hammering down. Maybe underneath this first layer of plastic there are some more screws to get into the actual foundation of the recorder, but only one way to find out. Finally got it open. Not really sure what to do now. Guess I didn't really plan for what would happen when I actually got it open. Of course, here are the dual XLR mic inputs right there. I don't think we're going to be able to fix this. Let's try to get the front. Oh man. Attached to the mics, there are a couple of screws, so we're going to try to get those out real quick. Ooh! Ah! Snap! Look at that. Well, there are the two microphones. Yeah, that is nuts. I think this is probably about as broken as it's going to get, and I was planning to put this back together at the very end, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. I don't remember which screws go where, how this was all set up, but look at that. But yeah, this was just a fun video to see what's inside my equipment. I've seen other people look inside of cameras, but I think it's just really cool to see what's on the inside, what makes this equipment tick, because a lot of times we take our equipment for granted and we don't really consider how much work went into making this one device. It's really cool, and it gives you a new appreciation for your gear that you might not have had just carrying around your camera or your audio recorder. That's crazy. This thing took forever to get into. So I guess that's good. If you're using one of these microphones, I guess they can take take quite a beating. So I think I'm going to leave this episode here. I'm not going to be able to put this thing back together, obviously. There's so many loose pieces, and I think I just snapped some things off without even unscrewing them. That is the mind inside of the Zoom H4N. If any of you guys are interested, I actually put a link in the description below where you can purchase one of these recorders. They're actually very good recorders. This is one that I've been using for a lot of my narrations that I use at school for my video class. But yeah, it's definitely a good recorder and I recommend checking it out. But I think that's going to about wrap up this little technology video. I apologize for my lack of techno jargon. I have no clue what I'm talking about when it comes to this, except for the basic XLR mics, the dual mics up top, on and off. But other than that, I think that's going to about wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep squatching.